Hey everybody, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm installing the main power switch in my 2004 Dodge Ram pickup truck. Now it also works on Durangos and I got it from Amazon for like 24 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description. Talk to you later. Okay, so this is a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 and I've had a problem with this switch here, which basically now you can see is broken out because the actual internals snapped. I'm going to show you really quickly how to change out this unit here. So I got one off of Amazon and I will link that to the description. Okay, so these things are kind of a little bit hard to get out. So I would suggest maybe a little flathead screwdriver and try and give it a little bit of leverage. I'm going to take my flathead, get it under that lip, kind of hear that pop. You don't want to be too aggressive because you don't want to mess up your stuff, but there we go, got it under there, and it should just rock back and forth, come right back up. Now as you can see, it has the two connectors here. Now I had purchased from Amazon a replacement for that unit, and so there is only 3 points of contact here. There's a screw on the top and 2 screws on the bottom, so I have to just unscrew those to get it off of this cover plate that is still good. So first thing first, just unplug the plugs, and it should be just a matter of pressing, possibly rocking a little bit. There we go. So there's the old one, there's the new one. Make sure you got the same amount of pins and they're in the same location. And then it looks like it's just Phillips head screws, so just take a Phillips driver, and you should just have to unscrew that. And get that third one out. And then that should just slide right up. There's the bad unit. So you can see it cracked out here, and so what ended up happening was I wasn't able to push it up or down because the slides or whatever were damaged. So throw that to the side. Take your new unit and lines right up, nice and pretty. And let's get the screws back in. It's all plastic, so I wouldn't over tighten that unless you want to strip it out. That's tight there. That's tight there. Okay, should be just a matter of plugging it all back in. Make sure that this tap portion lines up with the slotted portion. Should just have to lock it in there. Yeah. Here it's making connection. That's nice and tight. Then it should be just a matter of dropping it back down. And I don't know if you've ever looked inside here, but that's basically it. You got all these color-coded wires that go through your door, and then all the way through this area here, which gets over to the fuse blocks and all that other stuff. But that is it in a nutshell. Put back in. Probably want to, there we go. Pop it and pop it. Now it's time for a test. So let's just there. And boom, door locks, door unlocks. And let's go with, oh, gonna have to have my keys in there to do the windows. Key in the door and windows. Oh yeah. Okay, and up. And up and down for that one. That one. And that one. All right, everything's working. So this is where I got it from. I got it from Amazon, and it came really quick. I think I ordered it 2 days ago or 3 days ago, and it came and it worked perfectly. Took it out of the package, plugged it right in, and it worked as advertised. And for $24, I'm pretty sure that if I would have took it to a shop, they probably would have charged me at least, $100 to probably install this. And this unit, this power switch unit, doesn't just work for the Ram, it also works for Dakota. So if you have a Dakota truck, it probably will work for you also. So this is a cheap fix that I found on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description. Hopefully it will help you guys out, and I will talk to you later. Alright everybody, that's my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and click like. It helps the channel out. And if you really liked it, then please subscribe. And if you want, hit the little bell. It's in one of the corners there, and that will notify you when I put out a new video. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. I'm gonna get the tag out of here. Later.